Okay, this is the Android booted up screen. Then we go to radio. That brings us to the iDrive side. This is on the iDrive side. If you go to multimedia, if I pick my external device, that's my music. So the music is playing from the BMW side. If I go out of this, all the functions, that's the radio.
Right, that is all you get. I only give you 4 seconds.
The radio is playing well.
I'm going to give it to you again. Take a listen.
And then we go to navigation. Let's just say address book, home address, start guidance. If you look,
prepare to turn left.
The BMW standard navigation works well. Then if you look at vehicle information, everything about the BMW side works well. There are no issues. All the information on the BMW side is there. So absolutely no problem with the BMW standard iDrive. Then we proceed now to the Android side. If you look at, for me to get to the Android side, I just touch the screen. It brings me to the Android side. And then this is what we have on the Android side. There are 3 skins here. This is just for vehicle information. Go back there. Let us play a video. If you look here in the glove compartment, there's a USB plugged into the provided USB ports. Let's play a video. Choose the USB. Let's get some volume in there.
Check in with Wade, see if he knows what's going on.
You're gonna see Wade in that glass
Okay, that's the
thing?
video
What is
side
a
of it.
teleportation box?
Let's put it off.
It's a payphone.
Let's come out of this, back to home screen. And now let us check the other function, which is navigation. The navigation works well. The GPS antenna provided works very well. It picks up current location. So that's a good thing. Now we just come out of that. And lastly, I would like to show you the function of the reverse camera. Go ahead and start up the vehicle and engage reverse, and there you see it. Reverse camera is working. On the other side we have the park distance control also available for function. So put it back into neutral. Comes back to that screen. I'll go back to radio there. It takes me back to my BMW iDrive. Let's put some volume here. And the other thing that I would like to show you is that steering controls also function as normal, so absolutely no loss of any of the iDrive side functions.